I think selling real estate in LA is incredible. We have custom homes everywhere. You go places that are still lovely, like Orange County, and you have tract homes left and right. But Los Angeles is a giant residential tract of custom built homes. I think I've always been really fascinated with real estate. The concept of building wealth has always been really cool, but really helping people with something that's probably one of the biggest decisions they'll ever make, kind of guiding them through that process, making them feel comfortable, and really just finding what feels like home to them in a city that may not be, where they originally grew up, but now is them making their own home somewhere else. I'm Tyler Kunkle. I'm a buyer's agent at Pardee and Partners. I think one of the great things about working for Pardee and Partners is the culture. I think it's so amazing to have a family feel when you go to the office. I think the single agent model is really difficult in today's age. We work a lot, so it's nice to feel welcomed and appreciated when you come into work. One of my favorite things to do are my drive-arounds with people that are relocating especially, but even people that have lived here their whole life. They think they know, but they don't quite understand every little niche pocket of LA. Every neighborhood has 5 to 10 sub-pockets of that neighborhood, and they're all so different. They all offer different things, they all cost different prices, and they all have different walkability. I just really love being able to help people find their next home. Home is such an important word. And I think guiding them through this journey is just such a special thing to me. And I'm always here to help whenever anyone needs it.